If you have an idea for your startup business, but you're not sure how to make it happen, by the end of this video, you'll know how to create a complete business model canvas and how to turn your business idea into a reality. I've helped many clients turn their business ideas into money-making business models, and now it's your turn. If you are wanting to bring your business idea to life and understand what a business model really is, then keep on watching. A business model canvas is a visual overview and shows you all of the key sections and functional areas that make up your business. It's an amazing tool that can be used in 3 different situations. The first one is it can be used for the initial planning of your business, to figure out what your business model is actually going to look like. The second reason you might want to create a business model canvas as it's a preparation tool for before you create your formal business plan. The third reason you might want to use a business model canvas is it might be used as a worksheet for your existing business to track how you're progressing with your goals and also to identify new opportunities for your business. So now I will show you all of the sections of the business model canvas, what they are and how they fit together. Let's start with the right side of the business model canvas. This is called our value side. This is everything that brings value to the business and makes us money. The left side of the business model is our cost side. Everything on this side of the business model canvas costs us money. Now, the reason this is such a valuable tool is because it's a one-page overview of the business. So you can see all of the different sections of your business model and how they fit together. And you want to make sure that all of the sections make sense with one another, and you'll see that as we go along. The first section of the business model canvas is our customer segments. Now, the reason we start with the customer segments in our business model canvas is because everything in our business should revolve around our customers, serving their needs, and is based on what is most important to them. In customer segments, you want to answer 2 basic questions. Who needs our solution and who will need our solution in the future? In this section, you want to list multiple segments that represent different groups of people who want what we have to offer. Customer segments is the most important section of the business model canvas, and you want to make sure that you have your customer segments figured out and completely solidified before you move on to any other step in this process. Next, we move on to our value proposition. Our value proposition is what is the problem that our customers have and how are we solving that problem? The value proposition is in between the value side and the cost side of our business model canvas because this is our offer, which needs to balance between what our customers want and how we use the different sections of the cost side to give them what they want. The third section of the business model canvas is our competitive advantage. How are we different and unique from our competitors to better serve our target customer segments? The fourth section of the business model canvas is our channels. Channels are exactly as they sound. So how do we deliver value to our customers and how do they find us? Where along the buyer journey can we communicate with our customers and how can our customers communicate with us? The fifth section of the business model canvas and the final of our value side is our revenue streams. Our revenue streams are how do we make money and how are our customers willing to pay and how much are they willing to pay? Are we selling something once or do customers subscribe to something for ongoing value? How much do the different revenue streams contribute to our overall revenue? Now we are finished with the value side and we will move on to the cost side of the business model canvas. Section 6 of our business model is our key partners. So it is no mistake that our key partners are located directly mirroring our customer segments, because our key partners help lower our costs in the same way that our customers make us money. Anyone who helps us to lower our costs can be considered a key partner, from suppliers to other organizations who we can be associated with to help us lower our inputs and optimize our business operations. Section 7 of the business model canvas is our activities. What activities do we do to deliver value to our customers? So our activities could be daily activities or monthly activities. And if you are a solopreneur and you find that your daily activities exceed the amount that you are available, then that might be a red flag for you. The 8th section of our business model canvas is our resources. Our resources are what do we need in order to deliver this value to our customers. This might be physical resources, equipment or capital, human skills, or tools of some kind. The 9th and final section of our business model canvas is our cost structure. Here is where we want to identify how much our activities, resources, and partnerships are going to cost us. The cost structure can be a cost-driven structure, meaning that we focus on incurring the lowest possible costs, or a value-driven cost structure, meaning that we focus on providing the most amount of value and not necessarily the lowest cost inputs. Have you guys created a business model canvas before? If so, for what reason? Let me know in the comments below. If you are looking for a complete example of this business model canvas, then stay tuned for my video next week, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out. So now you know exactly what a business model canvas is and how all of the sections should fit together. If you would like a PDF fillable business model template, and maybe you're looking for help on starting up, download my complete business startup checklist at the link below. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it, comment with what you liked about it, subscribe, and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.